Get the recording. All right, here's our first rough play along, sing along of the beautiful song from Rent called Seasons of Love when we're in the key of F. Here's our tempo. Going very slowly, rock beat at 80 beats per minute. A one, two, three, four. 525,600 minutes, 525,000 moments so dear, 525,600 minutes. How do you measure a year? In daylights, in sunsets, in midnights, in cups of coffee, in inches, in miles, in laughter, in strife, in 525,600 minutes. How do you measure a year in the life? How about love? How about love? How about love? Measuring love. Seasons of love. 525,600 minutes, 525,000 journeys to plan, 525,600 minutes. How do you measure the life of a woman or man? In truths that she learned, the times that he cried, in bridges he burned, or the way that she died. Now we sing out, though the story never ends. Let's celebrate, remember the life of our friends. Remember the love. Remember the love. Remember the love. Measure in love. Seasons of love. Seasons of love. 2, 3, 4.
I love it.